So I just wanted to share this experience with you that beyond medication, drug-free treatment, this holistic medicine works wonders on you, and my life has changed upside down.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Professor R.K. Tuli. As you all know, I am the pioneer of holistic medicine, having established the world's first ever department of holistic medicine at Delhi's prestigious state-of-the-art multi-specialty tertiary care Indraprastha Apollo hospitals way back in year 1995. And I am the founder of Society for Holistic Advancement of Medicine.
Dr. Saroj. Dr. R.K. Tuli is the person who is the person with holistic medicine. He looks after Soham Center of Holistic Medicine, and he is also a professor with Indira Gandhi University. He has got tremendous, he has created the holistic approach platform for the country.
आज हमारे साथ दिल्ली से डॉक्टर आर.के. तुली जुड़ने वाले हैं, जो फादर ऑफ होलिस्टिक मेडिसिन है। अपोलो हॉस्पिटल में उन्होंने होलिस्टिक मेडिसिन का डिपार्टमेंट शुरू किया था। 16 इयर्स 16 साल उसे रन किया।
In our series of wellness beyond the best practices of allopathic medicine, today we are going to share a very interesting case of a young lady who suffered from intolerable migraines, remaining confined to bed for 2 to 3 days every week in spite of the best medical care, besides a range of associated problems. And you will hear it in her own words that how this treatment has helped her to get freedom from all medicines, and without using any medicine she is enjoying her health ever since. Yes, over to Trisha Kapoor to relate her story in her own words.
Hi, I'm Trisha, and just want to share an experience and share my gratitude towards Dr. Tuli. And I came to Soham Clinic and visited Dr. Tuli about 5-6 years back. I remember in 2015, August 2015, and from then I can say my life has changed upside down. I want to share an experience what happened. Before that, I was suffering from hormonal problems. I was suffering from PCOD. I had intense migraine issues, irregular cycle, periodical cycle, and hair growth, and I had a tremendous hair loss. So that is when I decided that I came to know about Dr. Tuli in Soham Clinic and this beautiful way of curing. So I started my 1 month treatment with Dr. Tuli, and there was immense amount of changes. I first of all, I could feel that energy. I could feel that the blockages, the meridians were getting cleansed and opened up, and I used to feel a rush of energy in me. Earlier I was feeling a lot of lethargic, tired. I used to get tired very easily. All this started changing during the course of the treatment only. My migraine issues also slowly, gradually were resolving, and so everything I was feeling, earlier I was very depressed, very worried, but with this positive thinking that I got in the treatment, during the course of treatment, the meditation I did, and the different tools I used, which were taught by Dr. Tuli. So I became drug free eventually, and this is such a this holistic medicine therapy. It's so natural. I got healed so naturally and without any drug free, that it was hard to. I mean, when I used to tell people it was absolutely drug free, and they were like, "Yeah, really?" So they could see on my face that what had changed. They could see my happiness from my face, that yes, it is beyond any medication or something. Medication can cure you, but what about your inside? What about your inner sense of happiness? So I think that got reinstilled in me. And that was the best part, that after within the treatment itself, during the last phase of my treatment, I actually got conceived. So I was conceived. So I mean, that was the intense joy I was feeling. That, wow, I mean, so amazing it is. So I just wanted to share this experience with you, that beyond medication, drug-free treatment, this holistic medicine works wonders on you. And if you have a will to, if you have a will to get cured, then this will surely help you and work on you. So yeah, it was an amazing experience. Until date, it is close to my heart, the teachings I got from here. So thank you so much for this amazing experience, Dr. Tuli. Thank you.
See, as she relates, it's an amazing treatment, it's a complete treatment, and as you can read from her testimonial, that it has given her an improvement in all dimensions of health. Not only she has got freedom from migraine and has sustained it over a period of last 6 years, that her physical health, mental health, emotional health, spiritual health, which was on a scale of 0 to 10, was just about 3 to 4, and she has ever since enjoyed it on on the same scale, on the top 10. That is the best of health, and it has helped her overcome all her ailments. Not only her migraine has got reversed, but she suffered from polycystic ovarian disease with hirsutism, overweight, etc. Of course, she had a oligomenorrhea. As a result, she could not conceive. Now she has a 5 years old, very pretty young baby girl, and she suffered from hypothyroidism. She had cervical and lumbosacral spondylosis. She also suffered from acid peptic disease with a gastroesophageal reflux disease, etc. Now, all those problems have remained sustained. That's why we say this treatment is holistic, because it takes care of the human being as a whole, body, mind, and soul, and all the ailments of an individual concurrently, without the use of any medication, to improve the quality of life, health, and joy. As you can make out from this story, this treatment is predictable. We told her that all these problems we shall attend to, and you should be able to overcome them all at the same time. It is reproducible, because what we predicted has happened and has sustainable, that has stood good for the last 6 years. So that gives me a great joy to share with you all and start a movement of holistic medicine for the care of our health, especially for people who now suffer from incurable, irreversible diseases and are slowly losing their health, their morbidity is growing, their suffering is growing, and eventually it leads to a very painful and expensive death. So this is one good example that should inspire all of us to adopt the path of holistic medicine. And for that, I will say there has to be a demand that more doctors take care to it. The people have to become, unless people demand, as they say, जागो ग्राहक जागो, जब तक कंज्यूमर अपनी डिमांड को रेज नहीं करेगा, उसका आपको solution भी नहीं मिलेगा. So it is very important that there is an uprise in general understanding of the people, and that it's authentic. It must be one of the things that people must take care is beware of quacks. Because the mainstream medicine is not promoting this concept and the various ingredients of holistic medicine, a lot of quackery has come up all around. Now, how can you trust your health? Just maybe sometimes because it comes cheaper in the hands of a quack. So be aware, look for a qualified, competent, and a good, experienced doctor who can take care and help you to overcome all the ailments which may even be incurable by best available medical practices, and restore positive health, total wellness, body, mind, and soul, and continue to enjoy it for years on. Thank you. Jai Hind.